Hey Twitter users! In this video we're going to show you how to change your username on Twitter using your PC. Whether you want to switch to a new handle or update your existing one, we've got you covered. Let's get started. Step 1. Click on the More button from the navigation bar. Step 2. Click on Settings and Privacy. This will take you to the Settings and Privacy page, where you can manage various aspects of your Twitter account. Step 3. Click on Your Account. This will take you to the Your Account page, where you can update your profile information, including your username. Step 4. Click on Account Information. This will take you to the Account Information page, where you can update your email address, password, and phone number. Step 5. You will be prompted to type in your Twitter account password to confirm it's you. This is a security measure to prevent unauthorized access to your account. Step 6. Under Account Information, update the username currently listed in the username field. If the username is taken, you'll be prompted to choose another one. Be sure to double-check that the username you want is available before proceeding. Step 7. Click the Save button. Thanks for watching this video on how to change your username on Twitter using your PC. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks on how to use Twitter like a pro. Until next time, happy tweeting!